everyone, Christina from Healthy Blessed Family. I'm coming on here to share with you what I just got my Term Healthy Mama order in the mail. I do a monthly order to keep my stuff in stock of the things that I use. Because there are certain things I use from Term Healthy. And I'm excited to share with you what I ordered this month. So I'm just not opening it up so I can share with you. And I have to say, you can do, this on a completely normal groceries, but there are some special ingredients I enjoy using that I am always getting in. One of them is Gentle Sweet. I am completely out of Gentle Sweet until today. I use Gentle Sweet in a lot of my recipes. Let's see. I got some beautiful balm. This is for all the owies and if your kids have owies or you have scrapes or cuts, this is a healthy option. Like you would use Neosporin for. I love the No Carb Easy Bread. I was almost out. I use it for SOS brownies, but which is a recipe from Coach KJ. But I also use it to bake bread that I can have that is fuel pool. So I can do it with an E or I can do it with an S. So I bought just a couple of mixes of that, of the No Carb Easy Bread, because I was almost out. I don't use it all the time, but I like to keep it in stock. A new favorite, my husband loves to have this in stock in our home. This is a new product. We tried it last month, and so I had to order some more because we were out. This is the pizza crust mix, and my husband loves this. That way, when we want to have pizza night, I can eat completely on plan and have pizza and make my own pizza. So I bought 4 packets of that this time, which is fun to have. And then I got, let's see, I am trying their Term Healthy Deodorant. I've never tried a completely healthy, no toxic chemicals in it before. So I've been excited to try this ever since they released it. So that's exciting. And then plus they just released the brownie mix. And I love brownies. And yes, I can make SOS brownies or I can make some other brownies out of the cookbooks. But I love having a mix that all I got to do is add the eggs and the water and walnuts or whatever to it. And I have brownies. Because sometimes I'm always a busy homeschooling mama of 2 and running 2 businesses. So sometimes when I just want something quick, I want to try these and see what they're like. So when I try it, I'll let you know what I think. I bought 2 packages of them because I wanted to make sure that I saved plenty for anybody else that wanted to try it. I was almost out of Super Sweet. So Super Sweet and Gentle Sweet are always in my cart every single month. I use it all the time. And a new favorite has been the apricot extract or the natural burst. I use these in my sippers for my butterfly tea and I absolutely love it. I also use it in another favorite sipper of mine, Hello Sipper, which I haven't had in a while, but I want to. And I ordered my favorite hydrates. These are my favorite flavor. And I like having this in my waters. And if I'm out and about, I am a busy mom. So a lot of times I'm running to different places. I have HG tonight, American Heritage Girls. This can go straight in my water bottle and I'm drinking healthy and drinking water. But I like flavored water. And orange is my absolute favorite. I would be so excited if they brought this in the bulk mix. because I would totally buy it. And I was almost out of this. I tried this last month. It is the Cherry Berry Baobab Hydrate Mix. It's in bulk. I just put it in a container and I use 1 tablespoon per every time I fill up water. I use 1 tablespoon of this in 32 ounces of water. And I absolutely love it. So that's what I got today. And I totally forgot, but today is Pie Day, so happy Pie Day. There are some great recipes in the cookbooks where you can make an on-plan pie. So if you do that, share with us and let us know. But this is what I ordered this month. What are your favorite things to order from Term Healthy? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. And as I try these new things, I will let you know what I think. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.